Hello students, this is your SST class. As you all know that FA3 syllabus is completed and FA4 is started. So I have already done chapter number 13, that is your FA4 syllabus, and now we will start our next chapter, that is chapter 14, means of transport यानी यातायात का सफ़र यानी परिवहन. Let's see the topics, that is transport, water transport, land transport and air transport. Okay. So first I would like to tell you all what is transportation. Transportation is that something which moves from one place to another. It is one of the basic human needs that people need to travel to different towns, cities or countries for personal or business reasons. Okay, and what are the modes of transport? There are three modes of transport, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay, first let me tell you all about water land transport. Land transport, the traveling by means of land is called land transport, like buses, scooters, motorcycles, trains. These are land transport. In land transport there are two transport, that is private transport and public transport. Public transport is like buses, trains, and private transport are trucks, cars, scooters and bikes. Okay. Land transport can be divided in two parts, that is roadways and railways. Okay students, now let's see the next topic, that is our water transport. Water transport means the transport which moves through water is called water transport, like ships, steamers and boats. These are the main means of transport. All of you know that. And ships take a longer time to reach their destination. Passengers and heavy goods are transported by ships. Seaport is a town with a harbor used by large ships. Okay. Then next transport is air transport. Air transport यानी हवा में चलने वाले परिवहन, like aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, etc. Okay. Air transport can be classified as domestic and international transport. Okay students, and now animals as means of transport. Transport are also used by traveling by animals like elephants, mules, ponies. These are used for traveling in forested areas as well as in hilly regions, okay, like mountains. Okay students, so transport is the means to carry people and goods. There are three modes of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Vehicles such as buses and trains provided by the government come under public transport. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport and animals are used as a means of transport. So students, this chapter is completed, and homework you all have to do in exercise 1, 2 and 3 in book, and the notes you all have to do in copy. And let's watch this video.
Transport. Long ago, people went from one place to another on foot. Then they began to ride on animals' back. Gradually, man invented wheel and fixed it to the carts and carriages. It could move easily along the uneven paths. Slowly, man invented cycle, scooter, car, train, aeroplane, ship, etc. These vehicles can be divided into three groups: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport. Vehicles that move on rails and roads are the means of land transport. Trains run on rails. Trains that carry passengers are called passenger trains. Trains that carry goods are called goods trains. Trains run on diesel, coal, or electricity. Metro trains carry thousands of passengers daily in big cities like Delhi, Kolkata, and Mumbai. They run underground or on elevated surface. They have reduced traffic congestion to a great extent. They have made traveling comfortable. A bullock cart, tonga, camel cart, etc. are vehicles pulled by animals. A bicycle and cycle rickshaw are pulled by the muscular energy of the man driving it. A scooter, car, bus, truck, etc. are vehicles that run by machines. They use petrol, diesel, and CNG as fuel. Do you know? The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. Water transport. Vehicles that move on water are means of water transport. Boat, ship, steamer, etc. sail on water. Do you know? Submarine travels underwater. Air transport. Vehicles that fly in the air are means of air transport. Aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, and glider fly in the sky. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Rockets put satellites into space. Animals as a means of transport. Animals are also used as a means of transport. Elephants are used in thick forests for travel. In olden days, kings used to travel on elephants. Horses, mules, and ponies are used in hills for traveling. Donkeys are used to carry loads as they are very strong. Camels can live without water for many days. They have padded hooves which help them to move easily in the deserts. So they are used in desert for traveling. The camel is known as the ship of the desert.